Okay, here we go. The wonders of the iPhone. What's that song? Title? All I Want Is You. And yeah, this is on that program. What was it called? Soundtone Applications. Soundhound. That's the one. Soundhound. Just speak that song in there, pulls it up, boom. The lyric sheet is right there. All right, here we go. Can I even see the words? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna sing this song by U2, but like I said, towards the end, I might be off, okay? Because either the music's too short or something. You say you want diamonds and a ring of gold. You say you want your story to remain untold. But all the promises we make, from the cradle to the grave, when all I want is you. You say you'll give me a highway with no one on it, a treasure just to look upon it, all the riches in the night. You say you'll give me eyes in a moon of blindness, a river in a time of dryness, a harbor in the tempest. But all the promises we make, from the cradle to the grave, when all I want is you. You say you want your love to work out right, to last with me through the night. You say you want diamonds and a ring of gold, your story to remain untold, your love not to grow cold, all the promises we break, from the cradle to the grave, when all I want is you. All I want is you.